Mm-hmm.
Little blue truck, springtime. Little blue truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a Yoohoo sky blue spring sing day. What do they see along the way? Who's out swimming in a line? Lincoln, who is it? Watch. Who is it? Oh, Yoohoo duck and ducklings 9. Ready? Turn the page. Yoohoo goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoohoo cow just munching corn. Yoohoo little calf just born. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoohoo piglets 1 to 10. You see all those, Lincoln? Oh. Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, Yoohoo bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother. Oh, did you see them all? And another and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Crickety crack. Everybody shout. Yoohoo chick. Come on out. Good job. Yoohoo sun, Yoohoo sky, Yoohoo white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing, frogs that leap. Yoohoo spring. Beep, beep, beep. Lincoln, you see all the toads? Look. You see all the toads and the animals? The end.